Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me for Singapore FinTech Festival coverage is Farhad Maliki, APAC Head of Ventures and M&A at PayPal. We also have Russell Kumar, Founder and Executive Chairman of Haiti, to discuss PayPal Ventures in Asia. Gentlemen, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks virtually. And Farhad, I'd like to start with you. Tell me about PayPal Ventures and the investments you've made in Asia.
Sure. Thanks very much, Jill. Great to be with you guys. PayPal Ventures is a group within PayPal that focuses on delivering strategic and financial value to the company by investing in best-in-class companies such as Haiti across the world. So I focus more on the APAC side, and some of the other investments outside of Haiti are Hey, which is a Shopify-like business in Japan, Toss, which is a super app in South Korea, Pine Labs in India. So looking essentially to find businesses that are relevant to PayPal across APAC from my perspective that the company can learn from and hopefully help grow faster than they already are typically growing.
And Russell, I think this is exciting. Tell us about Haiti and how the investment from PayPal came about.
Yeah, sure. And first of all, obviously, thanks, Jill, for having us. We're very happy both to participate in SFF and then also to spend this time here with you and your viewers. So thanks. So basically, Paydi, very simply, is the buy now, pay later leader in Japan. So we basically have a service where Japanese consumers can instantly check out from nearly 500,000 websites in Japan using just their email address and phone number. No sign up. It works instantly. We have a lot of machine learning and a kind of a big data operation to allow that seamless consumer experience to happen. And then we're now also, in Japanese, we call it atobarai, which is pay later. And now we're also moving into interest-free installments using the same acceptance network that we call sankai atobarai, so pay later 3 times. So obviously PayPal has been a great investor, obviously global leader in terms of payments, and also really kind of leading the charge to look for new experiences for consumers. I mean, if you go back to the beginning of accepting payments on the internet, PayPal was there. And if you look to the future of accepting payments on the internet, PayPal is also there forging ahead on their own and with people like us. So we're very gratified to be on that journey with Farhad and his team.
I'm an avid PayPal user, so I fully understand. Farhad, what does PayPal Ventures bring to its companies that other VCs may not be able to bring?
Sure, it's a great question and a very important one, I think, for us and the companies we try to partner with. So PayPal essentially is looking to add some of the expertise that we have in-house, some of that knowledge to the discussion that would go along with the investments that we make. So we've built very large credit products and businesses around the world and in Asia. So those in-house experts can connect with companies and folks like Russell. We try to connect some of our similar businesses. We have a very large P2P business in the US. They can be helpful by connecting with a business like Toss. We have a business like iZettle in Europe with an investment in a company like Pine Labs in India. So we essentially are trying to connect the dots with this in-house expertise that we have as a $200-some billion company with companies that are innovating and coming up with maybe locally relevant similar solutions to help germinate great ideas. And then we also encourage our companies to work together. So we already had a relationship with Hey before we invested, and Haiti and Russell also have a great relationship with the company. So we essentially are helping to connect some dots, bringing some of the experts and expertise that we have in-house and connecting them with the folks who are building these great new products.
And Russell, I'd like to wrap with you. What's on the horizon for Haiti?
Yeah, look, I think we're continuing to just grow our business in Japan. We're working very hard to make differentiated and new consumer experiences here. And then, we just continue to build our acceptance network and partners. We've got great partnerships with Amazon, Adidas, Rakuten Group, all of the guys that you would expect. And I look forward to deepening our partnership with PayPal as well. So thanks so much.
All right, you got it. Gentlemen, thanks so much for joining us on Trade Talks. Happy holidays, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.